Ukraine steps up attacks on Russian targets in occupied territories and inside Russia. Experts at the Institute for the Study of War (ISW) have noted that Ukraine is ramping up attacks on the Russian military and other key targets in occupied Ukraine and inside Russia. Ukraine appears to be intensifying attacks against the Russian military, logistics facilities and other vital targets in the rear areas of Ukraine's occupied territories and inside Russia. Ukraine's defense intelligence reported that Ukrainian resistance struck the Russian military headquarters in the occupied city of Melitopol, Zaporizhia Oblast, killing at least 3 officers of the Russian Federal Security Service and the National Guard. Analysts pointed out that the 12th of November statement by Ukraine's defense intelligence followed an attack by Ukrainian resistance on the former head of the People's Militia of the Russian-backed Luhansk People's Republic. Strikes on a Russian military base in the occupied town of Skadovsk, Kherson Oblast and Black Sea Fleet assets in Crimea, and 3 rearguard strikes and resistance raids in Russia. In addition, experts say Ukrainian forces have been conducting a military campaign targeting Russian-occupied Crimea since the summer of 2023.